So this is the iPhone 14 Pro.
Right.
This is the iPhone 12 Pro. Are you recording me? Stop.
She was cancer.
Yes.
Why you gonna pop her?
I was already. Okay, so iPhone. Are you ready? That's it. I feel like we're getting charged more and more for less and less things, but it's okay. All right, on to the iPhone. Off on, same thing. So iPhone 14 Pro. iPhone 12 Pro. Similar in size. It's been in the case, so. All right. Are we ready? Get a notification on my other phone. Okay. Look at it. Okay, let's turn it on. Yo, I haven't turned the phone on in so long. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we are. Oh. Hola. No.
You don't know Spanish?
Oh, me not know Spanish, boo-boo.
Wow.
I took French. Bring your current iPhone near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Let's just take a moment. Hold up. Let's just take a moment and look at how cute my picture is.
Conceited much?
Very much so.
Just the glasses for me.
Oh. Put my glasses on since I'm off work today. Let my eyes rest. No looking at anything important today, so. Who will be using this iPhone? Me. It says, will Peyton be using this iPhone? No. Sad. Your account is protected. Ooh. Bye. Is that right? Oh, it's right. Okay. Who's gonna have an iPhone 14 Plus?
14 Plus?
I mean, yeah, 14.
Pro.
Oh, 14 Pro. Sorry. Yeah. Confirm your phone number. Your phone number is. This phone number should match the one provided by AT&T when you purchase this iPhone. Okay, whatever. That's my phone number. Billing zip code is y'all, I literally just dropped my phone like as soon as I was about to get a new phone. So now I got to fix this phone. I mean, cause I still can, it's untarnished. I can sell this shit. Can I say shit or no?
Language. LAUNGUG.
Okay, so Peyton clearly just said I couldn't say shit, so shit.
Wow.
Activating eSIM and contacting iPhone to cellular network. This may take a few minutes. Oh, dude.
Does that one take a SIM card?
I don't know.
Look on the side. Bro, you doing a terrible review.
Am I doing a terrible review? It doesn't take. Damn. Yo, it don't take a SIM.
Oh, y'all.
It's an eSIM. What? No SIM in this thing. Literally no SIM. Wait, this 12 Pro didn't take a SIM either.
Yes, it did.
Where?
On the side. You see the little hole, man?
Where, bro?
Let me see, bro. I'm gonna keep it.
Oh, shit. Do not text me. Don't call me. Shit.
I'm gonna blur it out.
Okay. We're gonna bloop that part out. But, I mean, shoot me a text. I'll text back. You gonna take that? See me personally, I won't take that. Okay, so.
Try that.
Oh my. Look at this camera. Wait.
Oh my God.
Go. I'm trying to set up my Face ID. Ain't it weird? Make you like turn your head around, nigga. I'm not gonna be doing this shit to unlock my phone. Shit. Wait, it's a use Face ID with a mask. Don't use Face ID with a mask. I'm not finna use a mask. Anybody can unlock my shit. We all wearing masks in this shit. No, I'm not finna use Face ID with a damn mask. That's dumb. Okay. You can start using your iPhone in about 15 minutes. Your data will download app later over Wi-Fi. Or it's time to transfer. It's already 15 minutes for transfer from phone. So we're gonna do iCloud just because. Okay, let me put on some glasses because clearly no contact.
Wow.
Okay. Terms and conditions. I mean, do I really have a choice to just pay this much money for a phone? You're gonna ask me if I accept it. So what if I say no?
Right.
What if I say no?
Right.
That's dumb. Okay, anyway. It's setting up. Okay. Okay. 15 minutes later. It worked. Here's everything set up as you had it on your iPhone. Continue. Oh, set up Apple Cash. Y'all gonna Apple Cash me? You gonna Apple Cash me, babe? No.
No, you can Apple Cash us.
Don't you owe me some money? I know this one owe me some money. Okay, credit card. Okay, we're gonna have to do this ad later. We're gonna add my cards later to the wallet because I got a whole bunch of cards on fire. I don't know. It says waiting on Reed to complete backup. It's me. I'm Reed. This one is transferring. So it says about 1 minute. So y'all think it's gonna be 1 minute? 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. Okay, cleared me. Drill.
Hey.
Drill.
Hey.
Drill. Hey. Drill. Hey. Drill. Hey. Okay. Oh shit. Device added to your account. An iPhone now has access to iMessage and FaceTime. Whew. Make sure it's me because y'all know those texts get litty. Okay. Event ticket change. I got an event ticket.
Football game.
Device added to your account. Okay. Y'all, these kids making all these damn noises in the background and shit. I don't know what the hell they doing. They just want to take a bath and shit. I'm gonna bloop this out. Y'all just gonna see the ending of it, okay? Wrap this up and take a bath. Okay, let's see what this one doing. Oh, it's still time remaining. Haley, you can leave my box in here. Sugarfoot. Oh, is my policy still good on this one? I got a new card and they ain't put it on my wallet because it's a little disturbing. Son, what are you doing? Yo, this is so cool. This is restored from iCloud, y'all. Sorry. I think I have my own theme song.
This is like the longest video ever.
Is it?
Unboxing.
Cause fuck them other people, they ain't like this. Yeah, I'm supposed to be doing my hair. I'm unboxing a video. Not doing my hair, but washing it. Okay, I'm back. Let's see. Of course, I had to get a little wine. Because it was taking way too long. Okay. Why is phone heated up like that? I got a defective one. I don't like that. That's not good. Well, I feel like my camera looking at me like from the side. I don't like that. All right. Restore completed. Damn, terms and conditions again. Like, why? So if I say I disagree, what's gonna happen? Matter of fact, let me push I disagree.
It's just gonna take you back.
So I don't have a choice but to agree. That's dumb. It's dumb as fuck.
Oh, you stressing me out.
Girl, look at me. Looking like I'm looking.
At this point, just give me some.
How you going? Am I stressing you out, cameraman?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all right. I love you.
What is all these apps on one screen? I don't like this. Event ticket changed. Okay, sir. Show me the goddamn event ticket that you keep talking about. Shit. Ooh. Why have I been on the airplane this many times? Since I bought this 12 Pro.
You trying to
Yeah, look at all my flight passes and shit. Because I be needing to get away. Hey, let's get away. Anyway, y'all. So the camera is It's supposed to be super good. Why do I have garage band on this bitch?
I might want to make some music.
That's dumb. Like they got me all these apps and shit. I don't even use these apps. What is this? It's taking forever to download my little app. Look.
Is it hooked up to Wi-Fi?
It's supposed to be to Wi-Fi. It share everything else. Why didn't it share that? Let me see. An estimated for this will be update available. Why the hell do I have to do an update when I just got this damn phone? Y'all didn't do this shit before y'all boxed it up?
Oh my god.
Before y'all shipped it out? This is some dumb shit. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I'll come back with a quick little update. Because this shit's stressing me out. I'm just not.
Just wrap up your review. Oh, you review part 2 coming soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a review part 2 coming soon because the cameraman, he ain't shit. Okay?
Wow.
Like, subscribe, because I'm in this bitch, okay? I ain't gonna cuss next time. Yes, I am. I'm lying. Bye, y'all.